Hello and welcome back, scholars. Today we're going to look at a special graph called a line plot. And just the same as the bar graph, we have different labels. We're going to have a title. There's going to be a title for the line plot. There are also going to be labels. There is also an x-axis, the horizontal axis. There isn't so much of a vertical axis, but again, all line plots have labels to share what data is being counted. So there are labels, and each x, you don't see the x's yet, we'll put them on in a second. Each x represents 1. They indicate the number of each. Okay, in this case, we're talking about colors. So let's look at the data. This shows the favorite colors that 3 had a favorite color of orange. 3 students will say had a favorite color of green. 6 students had a favorite color of green. 5 had a favorite color of red. And 8 had a favorite color of blue. So let's indicate that data on the line plot using the x's. So orange says 3. So we're going to just write 1, 2, 3. Mark 3 x's. 6 for green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One on top of the other. Red 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then finally 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so you just as we did with the bar graph, you want to make sure that you space, in this case, the colors out, or whatever the labels are, so there's spaces in between. For the line plot, you want to make sure that the x's are right on top of each other, and they're spaced equally on top of each other, so that when we compare the different sections, we'll be able to compare fairly, so we can see that there's just one more X for green than there is red, and that there are 2 more X's for blue than there is for green. All right, so again, line plot needs to have labels. It has an x-axis. It needs to have a title. The line plot is going to represent the data in the form of X's. We look forward to seeing your line plots.